Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max not charging issue. If iPhone 15 Pro is not charging, it can be frustrating issue. So guys, in this video I'm gonna give you some steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the not charging issue. So guys, first of all you have to do is check the charging cable and adapter. Make sure you are using an Apple certified charging cable and adapter. Inspect the cable for any sign of damage, including fraying in bent pins. Also ensure that the adapter is plugged in to a working power outlet. After this, then you have to do is try a different charging cable and adapter. If you have access to another Apple certified charger and charging cable and adapter, try using them to see if the issue persists. You can help determine This can help determine whether the problem is with the cable or adapter. After this, then you have to do is clean the charging port. Dust, lint or debris in the charging port can prevent proper contact and hinder charging. Use a small clean brush such as soft toothbrush to gently clean the charging port. After this, and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can sometimes resolve charging issues. Turn off your iPhone 15 by going to your settings. Tap on your general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone 15 and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure that your iPhone 15 is running the latest version of iOS. Update may include bug fixes and improvement that can address charging issues. So I have to go to your software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After this and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is try wireless charging if available. So guys, if your iPhone support wireless charging, try placing it on a QI compatible wireless charger to see if it's charged wirelessly or not. After trying this all solution and you're still facing the issue, then there will be a physical damage. You have to do is check your iPhone 15 for any physical damage, especially around the charging port. If you see damage, it might be necessary to visit an Apple store or an authorized service provider. If you see if and there is no physical damage and you still face the issue again and again, then you have to do is reset all settings on your iPhone 15. To do this, you have to open your settings, go to your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.